Yeah. What's up, guys? This is my friend Jake.
Hey.
He's like the mechanic guy. But anyway, we're installing my VRSF downpipe. Hopefully we're not here too long.
Hopefully
But
not.
Jake's gonna help me do that. So we're about to get started. We got the car up. We don't have a lift. That'd make it a lot easier. But anyway, we're gonna let y'all know how this goes. Alright. So me and Jake just got the old downpipe out, and it is massive. That's the old one. Hold on. That's the old one, and that's the new one.
Show the restriction.
Yeah. So, grab it. See, you can see all like the whatever that is, like mesh stuff, and just the entire cat. And
This one,
do that. There's not a single
you can
thing.
see straight through.
Yeah. Now we're just plugging the old O2 sensors in, which we're going to use for this, back in, and then we're going to put this back in the car. That should be a struggle. So after we do that, I'll give you a little update on how it sounds and maybe if it drives better, whatever. So guys, I know this is a really bad transition, but me and Jake last night, we finished my car, finished putting the downpipe in. It took like 3.5 hours with no lift. And now we got Joe under his car taking something off. He's trying to make it louder so you can be like me. But you know. So we'll show you what that sounds like after, and then later on I'll give you the after of my car because it sounds so much better. And then I think tomorrow we're going to Cars and Coffee in the morning. That's always fun.
Nope, still doesn't want to take it off.
Maybe it's meant to be.
That's some sick.
Huh? No. I'm good.
You catch me at your local party, yes I crank it every day. Haters get mad cause I got me some bathing Nate. Soldier boy, I finna why me crank it, why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy, that Superman, that